We have two bags. They're from the company called KEALMOR. They got 3 pouches on one side and 2 openings on the opposite side. And they are zipper closed with a wiring system around the zipper's edge to keep its shape and form. As we open up the bag, it is also plastic lined, so this way if anything gets spilt, it will protect your tools from outside inside. Now, you can take your utility blades, your cutting tools, your lights, and more, and put different types of tools in each of the bags, so they are portable indeed. If you need to take a flashlight, the flashlight can fit into the outside area like so. So what we're going to show you is some of the tools we could put inside these bags. Just to give you an idea of the tools we can place in here, we have a small water pump about 6 inches. I'm going to take a measurement of this water pump, which measures 16 inches that will fit into the bag. Of course, it's a 15-inch opening, as you can see. Your tape measure, tile cutter, a pair of pliers, a crowbar, a shears, and drill bits, and a sander. We can close the bag up nice and comfortable. If we need to put any small items into the side pouches or the other pouches, we can do so. If I need to put a socket inside, I could put some sockets as well. These bags are just not for tools, so you can put anything imaginable. Paint brushes, a paint roller, a small paint roller, a 3-inch paint tray and roller, screwdriver, and a wire cleaner into the kit. So if you're looking for tool bags, no matter what size they are, tool bags, check online for further details about your product. This way you could put anything imaginable in the toolkit, not just tools, pencils, papers, tape, whatnot. Your 10 by 15-inch bags, they can fit anything imaginable. Put screws, a stapler, and more into the products. Enjoy your product if this tool bag is right for you.